Hi, I hope you are enjoying my first video of AD/LDS setup. So based on the AD/LDS setup, how to create ID/LDS AzmanStore for Active Directory roles management. So first we need to control application for the Microsoft Management Control panel AzmanStore. So AzmanMSC AzmanMSC create. So we want to create AzmanStore. So this is the already created AzmanStore. So now we create new setup of Active Directory AzmanStore in local system. So first we need to create action for the mode, which mode we want to open. So actually we already created one AzmanStore, so that's why our address manager is open as for developer mode. So first, whenever we want to create AzmanStore, first we need to create setup option for developer mode. So once the developer mode is selected, so after that create new authorization store. So go to authorization manager, action pen, then next new authorization store. Otherwise go to authorization manager, right click, new authorization store. So under the authorization store, we want to create Active Directory setup. So in the store name, we need to create msl:// under the local IP system 192.168.0.0.0.0/cm equal to 80 or cm equal to 80 So this MSL store name we already created in Active Directory lightweight directory setup design. So we already created the store name only we provide here. So once you put your store name is entered, so we get error. So something is wrong. So we need to create another port number. So we need to create the AzmanStore for the new. So actually this is the Asman. So this is for the our created Active Directory setup wizard. So this is the port number and the AzmanStore name. So in the AD demo is for the our Active Directory name. So this name I declare in the Active Directory AzmanStore setup for creation new setup. So we declare the store name as your MSL dot our port number and which port you created the AD setup. So in the AzmanStore, so your AD setup name and DC equal to AD setup, DC equal to com. So this is for the your AzmanStore name. So once you enter your real AzmanStore name as per your creation of AD setup, so the first okay, so your store will be created. So under the store you have one group folder. So based on that group folder you want to create new application. So once we created the AzmanStore, we need to declare the group name. The group name is as per your own name. So new application. So once the new application is created in the AzmanStore, you get the definition of group and role and definitions. So under the definition, you have the role operation. The role operation is for the as per the role group. So suppose if you want to create your company, they have the HR department, HR role, and marketing, and these are the role names you want to define in this name. And the task operation, what are the task operation we want to create based on that role? Suppose if you want to create the task operation is for the which task, which menu. These are the entirely different based on the menu based. Suppose if you have in your application we have the 4 menu. I have one like that for admin menu, and another one is the marketing menu. Suppose these are the menus I want to restrict based on the role. So you want to define the task definition. Under the operation is for the what are the operation we want to assign the each particular role users for add, edit, delete, view. We have the 4 type operation normally in database object or in our application. So what are the operations permissions we need to assign for the particular role users? That also we need to create in the Azman name. So once we AzmanStore edit demo in the application, so whatever your Active Directory users, you can create your application. So that will be defined in the under the roles definition. In this role, what are the role users? I have seen the example of document. The screenshot will be for you. So these are the reference. So this is where the reference of role definition. So under the role definition, we have the different group of role names. So each roles we have the different uses. This is for the creation of AzmanStore. Thank you for watching.